Can't stop wondering, how do I know if my boyfriend really loves me? Well, stop thinking and start watching. So, sis, this is not at all difficult, but you need to pay close attention to some of the details and his action in order to find out. I will be explaining in this video how you know if your boyfriend really loves you in no time if you watch till the end. On this channel, sis, I discuss all the things that you feel hesitate to ask anyone, even your parents, and you need someone to explain and talk to you. So make sure to join the sister squad by subscribing, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you are the first one to watch my new advice here. So no fear, your sis is here. What made you think that your boyfriend really loves you? Let me know in the comments below. Falling in love is a beautiful thing, but it can also cause you a bit of stress. You want to let yourself fall, but there is one question holding you back. Does your boyfriend really loves you? But it's easy to be afraid of loving someone who does not love you back. You're afraid of getting hurt, and that's no surprise, especially if it's the first time you have loved. As far as loving a woman goes, it's pretty easy to tell when she loves you back. I'm not sure if women are better at loving or not, but just worse at keeping it hidden. Men are taught to hide their emotions. Yes, girl, they are. They are told that emotion is a sign of weakness, and because of this, they have a difficult time accepting emotions for what they have. Even when men do accept how they feel, they keep it to themselves. This is something is very difficult. So the first thing I think he will try to give priority to you, to spend more time with you, and if he really doesn't have time, he will make sure to let you know when he will. When he loves you, you are the most important person in his life, and he makes sure to carve out a place for you even if he's busy in his life with lots of work or with his studies. He pays attention to all the little details and he remembers them. He appreciates the full scope of who you are, the good, the bad, and tries to correct you if he thinks it is something which is not suited for her by having a mutual conversation. And if she is correct, they understand you are and respect your views. Once you fall in love, you begin to care just as much as about his other person as you do yourself. Men can be especially funny when it comes to checking up their girlfriends. Some will try and play it off as if they don't care as much as they really do, but if he is hitting you up multiple times a week for seemingly no reason at all, that's when you know he's hooked. He will value your opinion too. So one way can be that he sends you a message almost every morning. When he first thought he is in the morning, he woke up, that's when you know that he's in love, that you are the first one in his mind. So sis, I want to tell you that trust is also an important factor. He will trust you and respect you. No matter what happens, he will trust you and will respect for what you are. He will believe for what you say because he knows you are the person whom he can really rely and trust all his lifetime. He will share his life problems with you. He will tell his daily life problems and what he's facing, and you listen to them and he listens to you. He will share his dark hidden secrets too. Some naughty childish ones, but obviously he do that. But that's a sign, guys. If he has done anything naughty or something funny when he was young or was in high school, will share that with you too, which might had not shared with his own parents or close friend, because he wants you to be partner in his crime for future, naughty things. That's not in my case, but yes, that happens. But imagine if someone do like that, he really kind of like you. He doesn't mind going out of his way to make your life easier. You know how women will often complain about her husband being lazy and not wanting to help out? Well, she's not only complaining because once upon a time that same man went out of his way to make her life easier. He used to inconvenience himself just to help her out. He would pick her up from out of his way when she needed a ride. he went to the store and picked up whatever she needed without her having to beg or argue with him. He didn't mind being worse off as long as she was better off. So when he do the same things, you know that this kind of person is like for me. Also, he should ask you about your day, and then he actually listens. Listening is a very good point, guys. I remember being in love and caring so much about my ex day that I even wanted to know what he ate to make sure he was staying healthy. That's love. When your boyfriend cares about you so much that he wants to know what's going on in your life and wants to know about what you did, what you succeeded and failed, that is when you know that he loves you. He wants to know more about your day because he wants to be a part of it in some way or another. Even though he wasn't there by your side, actually experience it. And this isn't like just so that you feel like you are having 2 cents. He wants to know your thoughts on the matter because he values your opinion. He values the way that you see the world and wants to make sure that his life aligns with yours as much as possible. When a man loves you, he wants your input on his life because maybe without even knowing, he is trying to merge his with yours. And what better way than to start seeing the world through your eyes? Love is happiness. Love is joy. Love is a mind filled with great memories and thoughts of a wonderful future together. You can't possibly have all that on your mind and not smile if he grinds from ear to ear, if his eyes light up at the sight of you. He's in love with you. If he loves you, you will receive just about all of his attention. He might not have told you in words that he loves you, but see it in everything that he does. You see it in the way he looks at you. You see it in the way he holds you. He shows it in the simplest gesture that touches your heart in the deepest way. We all have what we call our own language of love. We have different definitions and perception of what love is and what it means to us. So much so that have different ways. So expressing it can be different. The man in your life might not have the same language of love as you do, but that doesn't mean he loves you any less. However, there is one thing that is universal to us all, and it applies to any situation, romantic or otherwise. We don't have to convince anyone to love us. It is not something you can force. Truthfully, it isn't even something that you should spend so much time wondering about. True, genuine, honest to goodness love feels so natural that you don't have to question it. Thank you for watching this video, and I will be waiting for your comments to let me know what was the eye-opening for you in this video. Don't forget to subscribe so that I can reach more and more people who need me as their sis in their life. Keep smiling, and I will see you in my next video here.